Okay, guys, real quick in the first little segment called Jump On It. Jump On It is where I'm out and about and I decide, hey, you know what? In order to help you guys, let me pull over, let me get on my laptop right from a Wi-Fi hotspot and see what we can find so that we can get something done together, right? So I'm sitting in the parking lot here. I hope you can see, but I'm on my laptop right in my car and at Target under the clearance section. I just went real quick, Target clearance, and then I went to toys and I found this Graphic Skins, if you can read that, Design Studio Shrink Wrap. Now, if you can see, they got that for $10.42 clearance. And I copied the title here, pasted it over in Amazon, and I found it. And let me see, just real quick, if you look at my Keeper chart, get that to pop out. They're moving about 6 a month on this listing. Now there's 2 listings out there, but I chose this one because there's no one doing FBA under this listing. 7 hours ago, you can see they sold one for $31.35. So I went to the revenue calculator, stuck the numbers in, and if you were to jump on it and list yours at $31.85, and I'm assuming that shipping would cost you $1, you could make $7.71. Now you do have to factor in you do have to factor in, I hope you can see me okay. You got to factor in tax if you need to pay tax. But tell you what, you can jump on that right now, guys. And it may, when you start shipping more, it's not even going to cost you $1. It usually costs me 50 cents or less to ship, but you have to ship in bigger numbers to bring your cost per piece down. So that's all, guys. I just wanted to help you out. This is something to jump on right now. That's why I call this segment Jump On It. And for those of you who have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. That helps me out. How does it help me out? It lets me know that all the work I'm doing isn't for nothing. I'm not asking you guys for anything. I just want to help. So how do I know that this matters? I know it matters when you subscribe, right? And let me just see, make sure I'm okay. Wanted to make sure I was recording this. Sometimes I start ranting and then figure, damn, I didn't even press record. But anyway, yeah, so like I was saying, subscribe to the channel. While you subscribe, hit the bell notification. That's going to be important with these segments so that you don't miss when I come out with a jump on it. You gotta jump on it. That's it right there. You got to get on it right now. So don't just subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification so that you can be notified. Cause I'm gonna be jumping on it, guys. Why am I doing that? Because I am committed. I got a team. There's 3 of us. We are committed to helping you reach your goals. Okay. And you know, this channel is all about action. Okay. You have to take action, and this channel is set up for you to do that. How? Because we got over 60 videos. I don't know how many we got. Jim, if you want to show them real quick, give them a quick graphic. What number video are we on? Because if you use all the videos, that teaches you everything you need to know. Okay. I don't know. I hope you can see me. But so yeah, use the videos. Also, sign up for the free 12 module video course. That's way number 2 that we're helping you everything you need to know right at your fingertips. The whole shebang right there, costs you nothing. We give free leads on that. So when you sign up for the free 12 module course, it actually gives you access to a portal. We're giving free leads. I think last week we probably gave 5 or 6 free leads. So that's another way to help. Okay. And if that's not enough, if teaching you how to do it is not enough, we're still not giving you any excuse. Why? Because we're jumping on it. You don't even have to do the work. I just gave you a lead that you can move on. So you have no excuse, guys. This is a no excuse channel, and I don't want to hear your crap. Don't tell me that you can't do it. If I'm out here in the parking lot taking my time to help you out, don't come tell me what you can't do. Watch the last video. I showed you my 1099. I did over 80,000 while driving a truck. So don't tell me you can't do it. I don't want to hear it. Guys, jump on it. Subscribe. Hit the bell notification. Give me a thumbs up. A quick comment. We love them. Thanks. Out.